wind is insane. Literally, it's blowing me across the road. I have fighting to keep it on the road, to be honest with you. Done. Good legs is learning. Right, good morning. Whew. So that's us done in Hua Hin. Better do it my helmet. Safety first. So today we are going to head up around Bangkok and head over to the coast on that side. We're not exactly sure where. Possibly around Pattaya area. But today we've got the mental challenge of getting past Bangkok. We've driven there before and it's a nightmare. So, you know, with these big panniers on and top box, hopefully it's not going to be too much of a pain in the arse. We are going to try and avoid as many of the crazy centre bits as we can, but oof. Yeah, if the sun's out, especially in the roasting traffic, yeah, nightmares can become a reality in Bangkok. Let's see. Because I'm having some early road rage at this guy who's been indicating right for 5 minutes. Hey ho guys, take a chill pill buddy, it's going to get a lot worse in Bangkok. Alright, well a slight early stop today because Gaz is seeing this little breakfast stop, the baguette, and with the kind of riding we've got coming up in a minute. Yeah, we're not going to have chance for food for probably the next 3-4 hours at least. Alright, I can't remember what I ordered. I think that's a sausage croissant, a bacon twist. I think that's a Penang pie. Oh, that might be a Penang pie. Alright, so that must be a tuna chicken and a Penang. Alright. What's that one?
Ham cheese croissant.
That one.
Quiche.
And
minced beef and onion pie.
wow.
It's like being back at home.
Start off with the sausage croissant. The combination, I think, is depends on the sausage.
I made this mistake last time I was in Hua Hin.
Yeah, that is a mistake. No.
Dodgy hot dog sausage.
Yeah. Well, that was so far 0 for 1.
Good job you didn't save that till last as your favourite.
Yeah, well that's the one that I was looking forward to. Bacon twist. I don't think you can go wrong with.
Depends on the quality of the bacon, I guess.
Not blown away. Might have chosen poorly. Yours looks quite good. Okay, getting better. And this is Penang.
Looks like it.
Penang chicken. Yours looks like it's got 0 filling in there.
So that's what I was just looking at. It's good, no. It's alright. It's not full, but could be worse. This tastes just like Greg's.
Right, and this is the chicken tuna. Maybe. This is Penang. That last one was supposedly meant to be a chicken tuna. This is Penang. my kind of thing. I think it works well.
I was just about to point all that out.
What a mess. Well, they were all good, apart from the sausage croissant.
Sausage.
You want to try it?
No.
Right, well, the baguette, just on the outskirts of Hua Hin, recommended.
Yeah, that breakfast was a nice little treat for us. It was nice to get something a little bit tastier and more substantial to kick off the day.
Well, we're trying to avoid the motorway as much as possible coming into Bangkok, and what we got is these never-ending salt plains, and it should go on like this for the next hour or so. It's insanely windy. Yeah, it's trying to push me over to the left right now all the time. So yeah, not the most enjoyable ride, to be honest with you. Wow, this wind is insane. Literally, it's blowing me across the road. I'm fighting to keep it on the road, to be honest with you. And I can see cars in front, he's swerving all over the place as well. Right, salt flat's done. It's incredibly draining for about an hour and a half, just getting smashed by the wind. But now we got maybe a 45-50 minute cruise on a motorway up into the outskirts of Bangkok. Super painful. Oh, are you good? Alright, we had one very quick beer, but now it is our lasting an hour 10 minutes to get to Pattaya. So Pattaya is a place I've never been before, never really wanted to go. Reputation of being a bit of a, what should we say, sleazy haven, sex capital of Thailand, but obviously now with the COVID pandemic it should be absolutely empty, so you know, we're looking forward to hopefully a little bit more of a subdued Pattaya, but you know, we'll just have to wait and see. Now entering Pattaya, or so we believe. 10 minutes away from the hotel. There we got the start of Pattaya Beach. Interesting. Walking street. Empty. Our hotel is somewhere down this dodgy dark alley. The Greenview residence there. This is it. I'm hoping it's a hidden paradise. Oh, the car park's nice.